We truly believe that we should be the change that people want to see, and that's why we've embraced the sustainable solutions provided by British Recycled Plastics. My name's Carly Stafford. I'm a technical team leader for materials within Nottingham School of Art and Design, which is part of NTU. And we're at the Dye Garden today, our Waverley Dye Garden, which is a technical resource that we put into place in the last couple of years and is a student resource for them to learn about natural dye production and harvesting, and then using the dyes themselves. Back in 2018, one of our postgraduate students asked if they could create a small dye garden space as part of their postgraduate degree. We really loved that idea and we wanted to carry it on.
The Natural Dye Garden was officially set up by students working on the postgraduate courses, but also in textile courses later. But the technical team runs it the last 1.5 years. And what we do is we're sustaining the maintenance of the garden from harvesting, but we're also working as part of the NTU team, and we are engaging a variety of students and staff in different events. We're running activities from planting days, activity days and community days, and try to bring everyone from the campus together and come closer to nature and learn about natural dyes.
So we decided to use British Recycled Plastics raised beds through our colleagues over at Clifton campus, who use them for their food share allotments. And when we went to visit them and saw them in action, we just thought they were perfect for what we wanted to do. They fit with our sustainability ethos. They're easy to maintain, and it also means that students that have accessibility issues can access them as well. It also meant for us that they would be a great investment because they would last for years because they're really durable and high quality.
These raised bed kits that we're using have a lot of benefits, such as they last long, you can control the soil, and it has good drainage. So it has helped us engage with students from the wider art and design courses and expand our technical resources, as well as it has helped us as a staff ourselves to create more bonding and get involved in other activities that are outside our role.
The planters definitely provided the solution that we wanted. We truly believe that we should be the change that people want to see, and that's why we've embraced the sustainable solutions provided by British Recycled Plastics.